Sweet. It's the first CyberTruck I've been in.
Oh yeah? Nice.
How do you open this thing?
Yeah, press that. There you go.
There we go. Wow.
It's a little different.
That's great.
Sweet.
How do you like it?
I love it actually.
It's the, has it got some power?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Let's find out.
All right.
Nah, I'm just worried about it.
I mean, but if you want to, I mean.
Yeah.
I mean, we'll see. It just depends if there's.
Yeah.
But it's not really an ideal spot to do it. Oh wait.
How long have you had it?
Actually, let's see. Just go this way. So I'm gonna do. I've had it 6 months.
Sweet.
So I already have 29,000 miles on it.
Damn, dude.
Yeah. So I've already been to like 10 different states.
Oh my God.
All over the place.
What's the, how's it doing on the highway as far as mileage?
It's like 300. I mean, realistically more like 250, right?
Yeah.
But I mean, by then you're hungry and you got to eat and use the restroom and whatnot anyway. So.
Yep.
Have you had issues finding places to charge when you go on those longer interstate?
No, zero. Like, where are you guys from?
Here.
Oh, well, give me somewhere. Give me somewhere far.
Oh shit, from here?
Yeah.
Man, furthest I've gone is Prescott.
Oh, seriously? Okay.
No, I'm fucking with you. Like if you were gonna drive to like Houston or something
Sure.
like that, you'd probably be all right. Just
Yeah, here's what you do. This is how hard it is. You go navigate to Houston, and then you press this button, and then in 2 seconds it's gonna there's the whole route.
Yeah.
Turn by turn directions the whole way.
That's all.
So you don't have to think about a thing. You just say where do you want to go, put it in,
Just
and
check
it
for
figures it out for you.
Oh my God.
That'd be a funny SNL skit. It's like navigate to Omaha, and the truck's like, why?
Why? Why are you doing that?
Why would you go there? Can I suggest different places? Navigate to Sioux Falls.
Do you tow
No.
shit when you like?
I haven't yet. I mean, I towed stuff in my Model Y though, which was but you can only tow so much with that little thing. But
Is that like the kind of SUV?
yeah,
crossover
exactly.
kind of thing?
Yeah, it's like a small SUV.
Those are trick, dude. Chris Walton had one of those. Dude. They were fucking. It was fast.
Yeah, those. What do they have? They have like plaid mode or whatever.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, those are actually the slowest of all the Teslas, though. Really.
Really?
Yeah, that's the slowest model. The plaid one is like the Model S, which is the bigger sedan.
Yeah.
And then the Model X with the doors like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you got a fast truck, right? That was a Raptor, wasn't it?
Yeah. The supercharged. Yeah, it's a Roush Raptor.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah, it's cool. It's just a total bitch to fill up.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
It's like you go have fun, burn a tank of gas, and then you go fill it up, and it's like $150. You're like,
Yeah.
man, why the fuck do I drive this? Yeah.
Right.
And then like 10 minutes later, you're like, oh yeah.
Yeah, they're
That's why. Yeah,
That's
yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Now I remember.
All right, so here's where I should have shown them the Tesla app, which is pretty amazing because what it does is it shows you how much you've spent on electricity versus how much you would have spent on gas with a similar vehicle. So as you can see, I've spent a little over $800 on electricity, but I have saved over $5,400 in gas, which is insane. And that's in just 7 months. I mean, how can you not love that? All right. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, brother. Dude.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Have fun.
Appreciate it.
Who's gonna win?
Tonight? Oh, I don't know.
No, I mean the
hike?
race up the hill. I mean, you guys are racing, right?
We'll see, dude. We'll try.
We'll try.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
All right.
dude.
Have fun.
Later.